So from the palette, I did Crystal Ball on the outer corner for my wing. I took a little bit of Sweet, put it here. It didn't really show up too much. And then I put on the inner corner Glenda the Good Witch, which is what I worked from here in. So let's do this to this side. Got my wing on. And now I'm applying Sweet to this middle part. Okay, and then just to go back to show you what I did on the outer side, like I said, I went into this color right here, which is Crystal Ball, and I kind of just, like a regular wing, I just followed it and brought it down and then brought it in, right into there. Boop, boop. And then I'll go back and I'll blend with Sweet. Okay, and then I did spray this brush. It's a flat brush, and I sprayed it with my MAC Fix Plus, and that's just so that the glitter from this one is like really dry, so it's hard to stick on. So that's Glenda the Good Witch right here. So tap, 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 and then I apply it right there on the inner corner and bring that in. And I'm just dragging it a little bit into the middle so everything blends together. Go ahead and apply my mascara. And this is the second look with the palette. I feel like in person, like when I look at it, it's better, but it's hard to see it. Like here, the light is like making it look a little bit weird. But I like it, like from far. It's cute. Very more like edgy.